This is all we got for raccoons. Two. She's putting some hot dogs out for them. Oh, there's three there now. One hiding under the bench. We had to adjust the hot water heater today. It was too hot. So we dropped it back, didn't we? It's cold out there. You got no jacket on, no wonder. Yeah, it is a cold night. What are you doing up there? There's the other one. What he... Huh? Oh, Scooter. He's gone up the tree. You going up the tree? Yeah. Yeah, they're all running back to the woods. So this is about as all we can show you. We'll just keep putting the food out as we go along. We got grapes here too. We'll just keep feeding them as they come up. What do you want? You had your picture taken last night, didn't you? We sent your picture to Tracy. Yes, we did. Tracy's the one that found them. That's how I got them. Went up to Halifax and picked them up. Yes, I did. I picked up the baby boy.
Oh, gosh.
It's chilly out.
It's sleeting.
Huh?
Sleeting.
Oh, sleeting. Yeah, I'll just put the rest of that stuff out after.
Put a few of these out. You want a cookie? You want a cookie, Charlotte?
Open the cookie up, show him the cream, he'll have it. He was eating my muffin, my blueberry muffin.
Yep.
Didn't ya? And we ordered from Sam's Pizza sub and the donair, and he bumming that.
Yeah. Cold.
Yeah. And I made bacon and eggs this morning, and he ate my bacon. I had one slice.
Was it good?
Well, yeah.
Your bacon and eggs were good?
Yeah. Well, one piece of bacon and an egg. He ate all of the other bacon.
Ah.
Charlotte. What are you doing? Charlotte. Oh, look at that.
Look at her.
She got up, boy.
Hey, girl.
You got up there, didn't you?
Are you hungry?
Who's hungry?
Okay, I'll get you something.
Who's hungry?
Here.
Look at him coming up, Tula.
Here.
Connor cat. Connor cat. Do you notice the difference in the hot water?
No.
Oh,
Not yet.
well, it takes a little while to warm up now. It's not like it was. You turn it on and just blasts of steam. Anyway. Little girl's having her supper.
Yeah.
She's eating up there. That's something new for her.
Yeah.
Right, Connor? You take your time.
He's not.
No. He
Put him.
wolfs it down, then he gets sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just watching a new show called St. Dennis, isn't it?
St. Dennis. Yeah.
Yeah, the comedy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
not too bad.
anyway, we'll say goodnight, I guess.
Good night, I guess.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.